June the 2nd, 2022. Guys, you're looking at current satellite images over the Gulf of Mexico and the tip of the Caribbean between the Yucatan and Cuba. Our system is setting just off the Yucatan now, and it's projected, guys, to move more straight up now, more north, and kind of cut that pass between Mexico and Cuba. Move over Florida and pretty much in this direction. Now they're saying we've got an 80% chance of development and possibly a tropical storm, and it would be Alex, A-L-E-X, if it does originate. You guys in Texas are getting some weather also moving towards Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi at this time. Pay attention. Here is our charts, and again, the first storm is going to move out to sea, but this one is going to pretty much move in this direction across Florida. It may go a little further north than just South Florida, but it says as of 2 a.m. Eastern this morning, near the Yucatan Peninsula and southeastern Gulf of Mexico, a broad area of low pressure located near the east coast of the Yucatan continues to produce a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms over the northwestern Caribbean. And they're saying, guys, despite the strong upper-level winds that are moving from left to right, that we could have a tropical storm or tropical depression. Again, that would be Alex. It says as it moves slowly northward or northeastward over the northwestern Caribbean Sea and southwestern Gulf of Mexico during the next day or two. Interest in western Cuba, the Keys, and the Florida Peninsula should monitor the progress of this system, and tropical storm watches or warnings could be required for some of these areas later today. Guys, it's going to start coming in tomorrow evening. Now it's going to be moving kind of slow at that point, because as you wake up Friday morning, this thing's going to be, or Saturday morning, this thing's still going to be bothering you and just kind of starting to get ashore good. Here's one of the models that we're looking at from the Navy, and you can see it as it's setting down just to the east of the Yucatan now in that gap. And it's going to move further northward, not necessarily be dragged back by the island of Cuba. And that could cause it to move a little bit faster, a little stronger. Notice, using the CMC model, that it was definitely a little further north than just South Florida. See, this is going to go kind of across the central area, move out into the Atlantic. We don't know how strong it's going to be, and they don't know either, but they're saying there is a chance today that we'll see this develop. Now, we're looking at 7 to 10 inches of rain in that very center kind of dark brown area along the Keys, and then this spreads out down until you get from 5 inches in some places, 4, 3, like as it moves out of that center. So if you're like a lot of the places along the coast, you need this moisture. Saturday, 5 a.m., this is what I was talking about. The center of circulation is just offshore, but notice that it's been moving all the way across the Florida Peninsula and out into the Atlantic Ocean by 5 a.m. Saturday. But that still showing the lowest or the center of this offshore, so in the Gulf. But just keep an eye on it and make sure you realize that starting tomorrow, conditions are going to start to go downhill somewhat. So be prepared. We're going to update it, guys. Got a lot going on. We had, I think, 3 doctor visits in the last 3 days. But things are going to be fine on this end. You guys just hunker down and be prepared for this. Not looking like a hurricane or anything, but a tropical storm or depression can throw up tornadoes and a lot of flash flooding. Along the Keys, that 7 to 10 inches of rain is a lot of rain. Think about that. We're going to be watching it. It's just a quick heads up so you'll know where we're at. We're watching it. You watch it. It's a heads up.